and for my friend because we're going to get piercings. So I'm getting my tragus and my inner conch pierced. Or no, my outer conch, not my inner. I believe that. I don't know. I'm getting my conch pierced, and I want it to be pierced so where I can put a ring in it. But it's going to be a stud at first. My friend's just getting a cartilage piercing. It took me a while to actually decide if I wanted two or just my tragus pierced. But I decided that I'm going to just go for two. I don't want too many piercings on this ear, and I know for sure I want a conch. And I'm going to just get it because it's kind of easy to hide during school. And yeah, so I'm going to go get it. I'm picking up my friend. I'll record me getting the piercing and my experience and so on. So let's do this. My worry is that I'm not worrying about pain. That's my worry right now. So let's just see how this goes. Okay.
So this is my friend and we're going to go get piercings today. What piercing are you getting?
I'm just getting my cartilage.
And I'm getting my tragus and my conch pierced, which took a long time to decide, even though we decided we're doing this 2 days ago. Do you want me to record you getting yours pierced as well?
Maybe.
Okay.
We'll see how I'm feeling.
Okay, well you're recording me, so you will be able to see the piercing experience. Okay, bye.
How was it?
I don't know yet.
You did it!
Nothing's bleeding right now. For the conch, I do know. And
Okay.
I'd rather get my conch than my nose.
Okay.
You're getting the tragus?
Yes.
I have never had the tragus.
Okay.
So that one I can't give a whole lot of insight on, but I do know it feels like cartilage piercing. That's what everybody tells me.
Okay.
So I assume it feels kind of just like a helix. The conch, I got mine done at a 10 gauge and I'd still rather do it than my nose, so.
Okay.
Septum was easy, but that nostril was like no joke.
I don't know why it wasn't too bad when I got it last time, so.
See, and I get a lot
Everyone's
of people that
different.
are like, why do you hate the nostril so much?
Yeah.
It's just, I don't know, I just hate it. So with the conch, I do try to keep it as close to the edge as I can, that way that isn't huge.
Yeah.
So go ahead and check this out. They actually kind of line up. I didn't try that. But
I think they're both good.
look good? Alright. We'll do your tragus first.
Okay.
Good. It's on that way.
Deep.
Good.
You're good? You're good?
Yeah, it wasn't too bad.
Does it feel like a cartilage piercing? Do you know?
I don't know. Never got a cartilage before.
Fair enough. So I guess my comparison didn't help you a whole lot.
But it wasn't too much worse than those. I'd say it was a little bit more painful than those, but not too bad.
And you didn't think your nose was like
Yeah.
awful?
It wasn't awful.
Okay.
I was actually surprised that it wasn't awful. So.
That sound.
I heard it a little bit, but it wasn't like terrifying.
Good.
Thankfully, I didn't hear it.
There it is. Fair part right there. But I just gotta get a ball on, and it is all done. The good news with this getting pierced with the curve, I had mine pierced with the hoop when I first got it, and I had it in for about a year, and
Something just fell.
Oh no.
there it goes. It's alright.
Okay.
And I had it in for about a year, and it never really healed. It was always sore and just a mess to deal with, honestly. And I was like really close to taking it out, and my boss found like this big ass 10 gauge curve bar, the one I have in now. she put that in for me, and it was literally like within a month. It was great, and I was able to change it out. So it should heal in about 2 months.
Oh, okay.
And then you'll be able to change it. When you get the hoop, it takes like 6 to 12 months, and it's just, I think like when,
Yeah, I heard the hoop isn't good to start out with.
when I was sleeping on it, like it would flip up at night, and then when I would wake up and, you know, gravity would do what it does, and it would fall again. Oh my god, it was so painful. I really need to trim my nails. They're a mess.
So wondering. Oh, wait, they're both in.
Yeah, they're both
I
in.
didn't even notice.
Yeah, I've just been trying to get this stupid ball on the whole time. I'm a mess. There we go. Nice and tight. There you go, my dear.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And if you guys have any problems or questions, just come back in and see.
We got it done.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Yours, how was the pain?
Oh, it was like a 0. It was fine.
Yeah, you
Perfect.
got, I know you were really worried about it, but
Just a cartilage.
I actually thought it would hurt more too.
Really?
Yours? Like, not like a whole lot, but I thought it would hurt, at least, more than it hurt for you.
I didn't even
And then
think
I
about
got both mine done, the Tragus and the Conch. It wasn't bad at all. She said it actually was, the pain was pretty close to cartilage piercing, and for her nose piercing hurt more, so that calmed me down a bit. I would say the Tragus hurt less, but the Conch does hurt a bit more since it is thicker, but it's not like a big difference. And there was a pop, but it's not like you hear the pop. Everyone says you hear the pop or you hear the crack. It's more like you feel it. Because like other piercings, you can just kind of feel it go through smoothly, but you hear it like break through that skin first. But you don't not hear it, feel it. Kind of like how a pimple pops, I guess. So I'll check back in when I get home. We're going to get food because we didn't really eat much breakfast. It would be best if we got something on our stomachs. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll be back. It's Maroon 5! It's good Maroon 5! It's on! This is a good song.
I guess it's done. It happened. It's pierced. I'm really excited about it. I'm happy, and I'm afraid that I might get hooked. So, there was no bleeding at all. My friend got her cartilage pierced, her helix up here, but like she had a little bit of bleeding, which confused me why hers bled and mine did not at all. The Tragus and the Conch, both of them, they didn't bleed. I don't show my pain or vocally show my pain usually, so it's not like you would have really seen me in pain that much because I'm pretty chill with that. The only thing you would see would be me taking some deep breaths to prepare myself.
It's the night of, just really quickly. I'm cleaning it with pink Himalayan salt mixed with warm water, and I kind of just took a cotton ball and soaked it around a little bit. And you don't need to probably soak it as much as I did, but I feel more comfortable doing it that way, especially since I just got it pierced. And yeah, you could use a Q-tip. It's a bit more sore now, I will admit that, but it's not terrible. It's kind of like if you have swimmer's ear, but like a mild form of swimmer's ear, and your ear kind of is just aching, but it's also aching a bit more into the ear rather than just inside it at the root of the ear. So this is what it looks now. It's not too swollen, to be honest. It's a bit more red now because I cleaned it and moved it around a bit so I could clean it in those areas. I personally like using salt water mixed with warm water rather than buying a saline solution because you could just make your own at home or wash it with antibacterial soap that's not scented. But using soap scares me a bit for piercings, so. Hey guys, just a quick little bye, and I will be doing update videos of the healing process with both piercings, and if you would like to know more information or have questions or don't even want me to do these update videos, please let me know in the comments and I will gladly answer them or talk about them or just not do them. So, this is goodbye. I'll tell you my experiences in those update videos on the first night and sleeping and all those kinds of things. So just let me know what you want.